Okay, we're going to diagnose a fault. I have the check engine light on. All right, so we want to read the code. We have a GM product, Chevy Silverado. Okay, so we have code P1416, air system bank 2. Bank 2 is on the right side, bank 1 is on the left side. Or you can say bank 1 is driver's side, bank 2 is the passenger side. This code is typically the check valve for the secondary air pump. The easiest way to remove this check valve is to remove the pipe that comes off the exhaust manifold and put it in a vise. You can't get enough leverage here in the car most of the time because this is usually pretty corroded with exhaust gases. These two nuts here are 13 millimeters. These check valves can be very difficult to remove. I've had to put it in the vise, put a wrench on it, and then use a soft blow lead hammer and hammer on it in order to get this loose. While you have it in the vise, you have a chance to take this rubber hose off. Didn't come off the engine part so easy. Just pry that off. This is a 1-inch, takes a 1-inch wrench, and the other piece takes a 7/8 wrench down in here. So that's the check valve. Now I'm going to clean this up real quick and blowing it. See, I get virtually no air through it, and the new one gets air through it. So this check valve is clogged up, so it's most likely the cause. So we can put this back on. I don't think you need to go as tight as it was. That should be plenty good. Okay, now we'll go reinstall it in the car. Put a little bit of plumbing grease on this hose to help it slip over here. Put this back on. It went on real easy. And then we just put it back on the 2 studs. We have some nuts. Now that we've changed the check valve, we can go ahead and erase that code. All right, so we're all done. Start the car. And we no longer have a check engine light.